Mr. and Mrs. Brown, this is Stephanie with Comfort Eagle Roofing. We are here doing a rooftop inspection on a Builder's Grade 3 tab. So just wanted to bring you up so you could see what you got going on. So the first thing that I noticed as I came up the ladder is that you have impacts to your soft metals. Those are usually good indicators that you've got some sort of hail damage or something has fallen from the sky and hits your roof. So at that point, wanted to take a look to see what else you might have going on. So there's a lot going on. You've got some blistering, right, where the shingles are starting to show their age. And basically what happens is the shingles heat up from the inside out and kick the granules off. And you could tell that that's what's happened because they're convex, so they kick out, right? When something impacts the roof, it has the opposite effect. It pushes the granules down into the asphalt. And then you can also see, like, there's this little circle around the outside of it where whenever it impacted, it didn't just disrupt the granules that it touched and impacted, it actually disrupted the ones all the way around. So while this damage is new, it doesn't look like much, but as the wind and the rain continue to come along, the granules that have been loosened all the way around that impact point will start to fade away as well. Your shingles are not inherently waterproof, so as the wind and the rain continue to wash those granules out, these impact points will just get bigger and bigger. So on the left side of the home, I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, just in this 10 by 10 square area. And then if we head over to the front, we've got much the same, right? So let's go this way. All right, so same thing going on here, at least where it's dry. I didn't want to get into the parts that weren't. It's a little harder to see it. You've got same thing going on along the front slope here, where even though you do have some blistering, it's evident that something has impacted the roof. So I had to do a little makeshift square. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then you've also got some wind damage, right? So when the wind gets up and underneath of those shingles, basically what will happen is that it'll start to lift the shingle up, right? And then it'll leave a nice little crease line like this one here. And then as it continues, it's gonna lift it and leave a crease. As that crease continues, right? And the wind gets underneath of it, the crease just gets bigger and bigger. You can see here where it's actually just started to kind of rip and tear the shingle there and there. And then eventually what'll happen is it'll just rip that shingle right off the roof, exposing the keyhole or the keyways and the nails, which actually penetrate into your attic space. So yeah, fortunately it does look like you guys caught some of that hail, so I'll be down in just a minute to help you avoid the nightmares and the headaches associated with expensive interior damage.